Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. We are still moving in this ascending price channel, so the channel guides us higher, and we are currently exploring this uptrend that has started actually locally here on the 23rd of January. So we talked in the previous video already about this wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, which formed a higher low, then this third wave to the upside, which reached the 200% extension. Quite extended for a third wave, but absolutely not unusual in crypto. I mean, even Ethereum, I think, reached recently the 2.382, which is here at 2.97 cents. So it is possible, as indicated here with the wave 3 and the question mark, that the third wave could still extend higher. That's possible, and that is an option because the pullback that happened is just a 3-wave pullback. It's just corrective. You might say that looks visually like 5 waves, yeah, but it's not. Visually, maybe, but that's not how we work. You see clearly a 3-wave move. How do we determine that? Well, see, an A wave can be a 3-wave move. The B wave was a 3-wave move, and then we have a C wave down. So we have basically 3 waves. What is more important than visual assessment on these time frames, on these smallest time frames? It's Fibonacci work. Also, you had an overlap here and here, so it's not 5 waves. If we take the length of that small A wave and we measure the top to the top of the B wave, a great hint that it's an ABC is typically when the last wave down reached the area around the 100% extension level, and yeah, 2.53 cents. I mean, it just ended just above that, and that gives us a very clear ABC structure where the C wave basically at the same length as the wave A. I could also label that WXY, not important at all. But so yeah, at the moment 3 waves up, okay, from that low as well. So 3 down, 3 up. That leaves the option open for higher in case we form another wave up. I wouldn't even want to try to label the microstructures here. This is really too small. And the Gala chart already doesn't have the cleanest pattern anyway. So just trying to track the micro makes it even worse. But what we use the Elliott waves for is to understand when the trend breaks and when, for example, support levels break, resistances break, and so on, and how to stay on the right side of the trend instead of trying to use the microstructures as predictions. That's not how Elliott wave is meant to be used. So sometimes I yesterday only I got a question. I can't remember which coin it was, but someone asked me, do you not think it could also rally up, higher more directly? And I can't remember which coin it was. And I said, yeah, of course. I mean, the trend is up. We are in a bullish market. The Elliott waves make us understand which support levels need to hold to keep going, in that uptrend. What they don't tell us where exactly every wave will turn around, especially on the smallest microstructures. Reality is any pullback here is seen as a correction, which means if it happens, it could be an opportunity. Sometimes the market only offers a shallow pullback, as we've had it here, especially in a third wave. So by knowing that we are likely in a third wave, or it could be still unfolding, just be aware we could get a shallow pullback. Microstructures are too messy for anything else, especially with certain coins, yeah? But the main benefit of the analysis is that it helps us understand what is the relevant support area, and it is between 2.49 cents and 2.32, which means in most cases, a wave 4, if it is a wave 4 already, should enter that area. It doesn't need to be a wave 4 yet. Well, it likely is, but maybe it's not the main 4th wave. Maybe the 3rd gets one more extension higher. But overall, as long as we're holding that support line or range, we should be moving higher overall. And it doesn't matter so much, I think, from a trading point of view, if it's a 3rd wave still, or if it's already the 4th and we then go up higher, because this is literally the space we need to give it in any scenario that's bullish here, or immediately bullish. I mean, what happens if we break below support? Well, then the likelihood will increase. That is simply a reset of wave B, which will then drive us back into one larger wave degree, and where we have a larger support zone that could still be used if needed in this B wave. But at the moment, the assumption is that wave B is finished. We are already in the move to the upside, but Elliott wave tells us what is the level that needs to hold to keep this assumption alive. That's my update about Gala. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.